Today, I'm going to tell you how to learn English through life story listening. Introduction. My dear friends, welcome. Today, we will learn a very simple but very powerful method of learning English. This method is called learning through life stories. Why life stories? Because life stories are real. They are easy to remember. They are full of values, knowledge, and motivation. When you listen to them, you do not feel you are studying. You feel like you are traveling with the person in their journey. And when you listen again and again, English words enter your ears, your mind, and your heart. Slowly, without stress, you start speaking English naturally. Why life stories are the best tool? Let me ask you a question. Do you remember a grammar rule you studied in school? Maybe yes, maybe no. But do you remember a story someone told you years ago? Yes, most of you do. This shows the power of stories. Stories stay. Rules fade. Now, when the story is in English, two things happen together. 1. You learn life lessons. 2. You learn English words and sentences. For example, when we hear about Abdul Kalam, we hear words like dream, missile, president, inspiration. When we hear about Vivekananda, we learn words like youth, strength, spiritual, nation. These words repeat in many stories. So your memory becomes strong. How to listen step by step. Many people ask, how should I listen to life stories for learning English? Here is the answer. Step 1. First, listening. Just enjoy. Do not worry about words. Step 2. Second, listening. Try to catch new words. Step 3. Third, listening. Repeat some sentences loudly. Step 4. Fourth, listening. Write 5 new words in a notebook. Step 5. Fifth, listening. Tell the story in your own simple English. This step-by-step practice will make you strong in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Activity with Abdul Kalam's story. Let us practice. Think about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in Ramaswaram. He sold newspapers as a boy. He became a scientist. He became the President of India. He inspired millions of students. Now let us use his story for English. New words: childhood, poverty, president, inspiration, dream. Sentences: he was born in poverty. He had big dreams. He inspired the youth. When you repeat these sentences, your English becomes natural. Activity with Swami Vivekananda's story. Now let us take Swami Vivekananda. He was born in Kolkata. He was curious and intelligent. He met Sri Ramakrishna and became a monk. He spoke in Chicago in 1893 and made India proud. From his story, we learn words like monk, speech, nation, proud, spirituality. We can make simple sentences. He gave a famous speech. He was a monk. He inspired the youth of India. Again, by listening and repeating, you improve. Why repetition is magic? Children learn language by listening to their parents every day. They do not study grammar first. They only listen and repeat. After some time, they speak naturally. You also can do the same. Listen to one life story every day. Repeat it. Write new words. Soon your English will grow like a tree. Audience practice. Now, I want you to practice. Choose any great person you admire. Maybe Nelson Mandela. Maybe Mother Teresa. Maybe Premanand Maharaj. Say 5 sentences about them in English. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is to speak, because practice makes progress. More examples. Let us see a few more examples. Mother Teresa. She helped the poor. She lived in Kolkata. She won the Nobel Prize. Words, service, charity, kindness, compassion. Nelson Mandela. He fought against apartheid. He spent 27 years in prison. He became the president of South Africa. Words, freedom, struggle, justice, equality. Premanand Maharaj, born as Anirudh Kumar Pandey. He chose the path of devotion. He teaches love, humility, and chanting of Sri Hari. Words, devotion, humility, surrender, peace. Each story gives new words, new sentences, new inspiration. Building confidence. Many people feel shy to speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake? But remember, mistakes are part of learning. When a baby learns to walk, he falls many times, but he stands again and walks better. In the same way, speak without fear. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Life stories are the best way to practice because they give you ready-made material. Daily routine plan. Here's a simple 30-day plan. Day 1 to 7. Listen to Abdul Kalam's story. Day 8 to 14. Listen to Swami Vivekananda's story. Day 15 to 20. Listen to Mother Teresa's story. Day 21 to 25. Listen to Nelson Mandela's story. Day 26 to 30. Listen to Premanand Maharaj's story. Each day, 1. Listen 3 times. 2. Write 5 words. 3. Speak 5 sentences. After 30 days, your English will improve. Final motivation. My dear friends, remember this. Learning English is not about grammar books. It is about listening, speaking, and enjoying. Life stories give you all of this. They give you joy, wisdom, and English. So make a promise today. Every day, you will listen to one life story in English. Every day, you repeat and practice. And very soon you will speak English confidently. Closing words. Thank you for spending this time with me. We have learned how to use life stories to improve English. We understood why repetition is important. We practiced with examples like Abdul Kalam, Vivekananda, Mother Teresa, Mandela, and Premanand Maharaj. Now the rest is in your hands. Listen daily. Speak daily. And one day, you will tell your own life story in beautiful English. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel.